but it's, I mean, who wants to look, simple when you can look stunning?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is living their best life, and if you aren't, please do something today to put you on the path of living your best life. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you guys through how I do this slick back hairstyle with a bang, and let's just go ahead and get started. So I begin by parting off my section for my bang. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some oil as well as some leave-in conditioner to bring back some moisture into my hair. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some water to the perimeter of my hair where I'm going to be putting the ponytail in. And then on top of that layer of water, I'm going to add a layer of gel. You can use a jam, a gel of your choice. I just like this one because it doesn't flake in my hair. Next, what I go ahead and do is slick back my hair to get ready for the ponytail. And then I begin by putting the ponytail up using one of these really big ponytail holders that I got from Walmart. Now it's time to start working on my bang. So what I'm doing is just separating the curls, loosening it up a little bit because I am working on old hair. And then what I want to go ahead and do is just add some water, add a little bit of gel, and then I'm going to add some more water so then I can comb through my hair. So time to smooth down this bang. So what I found to be helpful with smoothing down my hair, especially for a bang look like this, is to begin by smoothing it kind of in front of your face and then shape out how low you want that bang to be with your hands. And then since my bangs are pretty long, I went ahead and wrapped it around and I put my hair through the loop of the ponytail in the back. I know you guys couldn't see that part, but all you have to do is just lift up the ponytail holder in the back and then just add the hair in. And if your bang is shorter, add it towards the front, or do what I did right there and add some bobby pins. Next, what you want to do is just go ahead and smooth everything out, and then time to do your edges. For my baby hairs, I like to start off with a toothbrush, and usually I just use a toothbrush because it's just easier for me. But this time I decided to also use a rat tail comb just to smooth everything out as well as define those lines a little bit. So what you see me doing right here is that I'm just pushing a little bit more hair out of the ponytail to add into my edges so then they have a more full look. And then what I'm going ahead and do is just add those lines and make them a little bit more crisp so then you can actually see the swoops that I'm trying to do, you know? Now this part is crucial if you want to keep away those flyaways, as well as when you wrap your hair at night before you put on a bonnet. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button right down below, and turn on my post notification bell so you're notified every single time that I post. A big thank you to you guys for over 1,400 subscribers. With that being said, peace, love, and light to you all.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.